Matagumpay ang makasaysayang flight papuntang Kalawakan na binubuo ng 6 na kababaihan, kasama ang pop star na si Katy Perry. Ang kanilang out-of-this-world journey sa pagtutok ni Salima Refran.
Cosmic and on another level ang latest achievement ng pop star at 80s singer na si Katy Perry. Nakabilang sa trailblazing women na sumakay sa rocket na binuo para sa space tourism at nilaunch kahapon sa West Texas, USA. Bago ang kanilang trip to space, ibinahagi ni Katy ang kanyang excitement sa social media, lalo't 15 taon daw niya itong pinangarap.
I'm gonna show you the capsule that we have been training in for the last few days. Here I am. Seat number 2.
Kasama ni Katy sa space flight ang film producer na si Kerian Flynn, host na si Gayle King, former NASA rocket scientist Aisha Bao, human rights activist Amanda Wen, at Lauren Sanchez na fiancé ng billionaire na si Jeff Bezos. Ang first all-female space flight sa mahigit 60 taon, nag-lift off pasado alas 9 ng umaga.
Lift off.
328,000 feet, 100 kilometers. Welcome to space, ladies, or shall I say, astronauts.
Habang nasa space, taking up space! Nakaranas sila ng near-zero gravity sa loob ng 4 na minuto. In-enjoy din nila ang breathtaking view ng Earth mula sa loob ng capsule. Matapos magpalutang-lutang sa space, ligtas ding nakabalik sa Earth ang buong crew.
Touchdown. Congratulations and welcome back to Earth.
Tumagal ng 11 minutes ang space flight. Sa tuwa ni Katy, hinalikan pa niya ang ground paglabas ng capsule.
I don't know if any other pop stars have been to space, but I thought I wasn't sure if I was going to sing or if I wasn't, because I just wanted to honor my fellow astronauts and just, hold the space in space.
Profound is like the one word I would use. And you look back at Earth and it's like this beautiful jewel. It was quiet. It felt like it was breathing. It was so alive. And that's kind of what I felt, just this aliveness of Earth.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Salima Refran, nakatutok, 24 oras.